Morning students. Today we are going to study apiculture. Unit number 23, Economical Biology. So anybody knows what you mean by the apiculture? Culture, you know that. Apiculture, the keeping and maintenance of bees for commercial reason. So commercial purpose we are keeping the bees. So we know that honey is a very nutritious food. It is necessary for that. It has all the medicine value also. So the keeping and maintenance of bees for the commercial purpose. So this is the topic we are going to study. Apiculture is the rearing of honeybee for honey. So for a honey purpose, we are keeping or we are look after the honey, so that we are called as a apiculture. It is also called beekeeping. Beekeeping, it's nothing, so we called apiculture. It is the profitable rural based industry. Rural based industry is very important because in city side it is a little impossible because the honeybee have to collect the honeys, so the flower is very important. So the rural area, the village area, there are many plants is available. So for the honeybee, it is easy to collect the honeybee. So that's the way the industrial level of the rural area, they will do the apiculture. Honeybee are domesticated by farmers to produce honey. Domesticated, we know that is a domesticated animals. It means we can keep in our house or we can brought up in our house. So apiculture is one of the domesticated by the farmers. Normally the farmers will do this because they will cultivate the plants. So the same times if they are keeping apiculture, so that also is good for them to support the economical conditions. So what are the type of the honeybee? So when you take that is the type of the honeybee, there are three type of the honeybees there. One is a queen bee and drones and worker bees. So look at this, that there are three types of the individuals in an honeybee colony. So why they are mentioned is a colony? Because the individual or separate honeybee not live. So it always live together as a colony. Queen, this is the queen. So when you compare with this another honeybee, so it is a little big in size as well as it has the different work when you compare with the other type of the honeybee. This is a worker, this is a drone. Drone, it's nothing, is a male honeybee. So there are three, so two more questions they may ask. So what's a queen? So queen, what are the functions of the queen? What are the responsibility for that colony? So already we told that the honeybee always live together as a colony. So the queen have the role. What are the role? The queen is the largest number and fertilized female of colony. So when you take that is a colony, this is only the fertilized female. So it only able to fertilize that. They are formed from fertilized egg. So the fertilization happening in the egg, after that it become as a queen bee. The queen is responsible for laying eggs in a colony. Only one work for this, that it laying eggs. Only the reproductions it carried only by the queen. So queen only the major. So look at this, when you compare with this other, this is the queen. So this maybe is a drone, so male. So workers maybe is a little different. So when you look at this, seems to be like a queen, honeybee. So what are the life cycles? Already we know that is a queen lays egg in a wax cells. So we know that is a honey home. So this it lays the egg. So after that it becomes a larva. The worker feeds the hatched larva. After that it's become like this. Then it goes like this. Then it become like this. Then it's a new adult larva or honeybee is formed. So we have studied what is the character of the queen. So there is only one queen is present in the colony. They are formed or they formed by the formation of the egg. They are fertilized egg only, it's become as a queen. Now drones. So that the fertilized male, so this is also a fertilized male, they develop from unfertilized egg. They longer than the workers. So when you compare with that workers, it is little longer. It means it's a little big and is smaller than the queen. So in the middle, it is not like a queen. It's a small than the queen and big than the worker. So what is the functions? So what are the functions they will carry out? To fertilize the egg produced by the queen. So the queen lays the egg. So duty of the male, it will do the work of fertilize the egg. Worker, they are sterile female bees and are smallest members of the colony. So smallest members of the colony, their function is collecting the honey, look after the young ones, clean the homes, define the hive and maintain the temperature of the bee home. So these are the work is done. The first we should know that is a sterile female bees. We call is a worker bee and the smallest member of the colony. So what are the work? It is the many work is carried out. When you compare with a queen, it lays the egg. When you compare with a male bee, it fertilizes the egg. So workers, they will look after the young ones. They have to collect the honey and they have to clean the homes and they have to defend from the enemies and maintain the temperature of the homes. So these are the work is carried by the worker bees. Honey bee varieties. Indigenous variety and exotic variety. Indigenous variety means it's which is available in India. So Apis indica, so common Indian honey bee. Apis dorsata, rock bee. Apis florae, little bees. So this is called indigenous variety. Exotic variety, Apis mellifera, Apis adamsoni. So this is a South African bee. So this is a Italian bees. So maybe when you look at that is the morphology of the honeybee, it's different from each other. So variety of the honeybee, indigenous variety already we have studies, just we want to see that is the picture. Apis dorsa. So this is the one. Rock bee or wild bee. So next one. Apis florae. So little small in size. So we can see that is here in small trees. Apis indica, Indian bees. So this is the one. So these three of the variety or species we call is a endogenesis varieties. Exotic: Abies mellifera, Italian bees, and Abies adansoni, American bees. So what are the structure of the bee hope? So this is the one. So how that is the appearance happening there? So the homes of the bees is formed mainly by the secretions of the wax glands present in the abdomen of the worker bee. So this is the area we call is the abdomen. So they have the vaccine. It will help to fill the honey home. So the home is a vertical sheet of vaccine with a double layer of hexagonal. Hexagonal means 6. So when you look at this, the 6 seems to be the hexagonal shape. So that's the meaning of this. So when you look at that is the secretions of the wax glands and double layer hexagonal cells are present. Formation of the honey. How that they form it? The honeybees suck the nectar from various flowers. So the honeybee visited the many different type of the flower and collecting the honey from the flower and store in the homes. The nectar the nectar passes to the honey sac. The honey sac is sucrose present in the nectar mixed with the acidic secretions, and by enzymatic actions it is covered into honey, which is stored in the specific chamber of the hive. So that is the honey is collecting the honeybee, but here the pollen grain is deposited on this the honey bee, so that after collecting this it will store in that. Quality of honeybee depends upon the flower available to the bees for nectar and pollen collections. So where that honey is collected, according to the plants, the honey quality may be determined. If it is a good flower, means the good honey may be collected. So according to that flower, the honey maybe is a different shade or different. So studies. What are the questions may ask us? So there are many questions may ask us as a 2 mark questions, 1 mark questions. Sometimes they may ask us here 7 mark questions also possible. First they ask us here what is apiculture. So we have to give the definition for apiculture. Apiculture is the rearing of honeybee for honey. It is also called beekeeping. Up to this you can write. Suppose you want to write little more, means you can take that another 2 points also. It is a profitable rural based industry. Honeybee are domesticated by farmer to produce honey. So that's also you can write. Next questions, what are the different types of honeybee? So different type of the honeybees, you have to more careful, different type, not varieties. So different type of the honeybee means you have to write queen, drone and workers. So the different types, the types of honeybees, there are 3 types of the individuals in and honeybees colony, namely the queen bee and drones and worker bees. So these things you have to write for the questions. The next ones, what are the different varieties of honeybee? Varieties, there are separated as a exotic, endogenesis variety, and you have to mention that is all the Api indica. So this you have to write for that. So what are the different varieties we have seen? Now explain the structure of the bee homes. You have to write this. So the structure of the bee home. So it how to mention how they are built, how that vertical sheet means it is not in a flat, it always seems to be vertical. It means it is not a horizontal, it is a vertical shape. And the double layer of the hexachoric cells. So that's you have to write. So if they ask you to write, so these are the things you have to mention. Thank you.